Let us see how to declare a structure variable and how to read and print the structure variable using a normal variable type as well as using a pointer to a structure. So here I have declared a structure student with the members integer, roll number, character, name of 20, which means name is an array of characters of 20 size, character, section and float, marks. And inside the main I have declared a structure variable structure student s and t. So both s and t will have all these 4 members. So now I am creating one structure pointer by using structure student star ptr, and I am assigning the address of t to this pointer. So your pointer will be pointing to the first member of t. Now I am printing enter the student details, roll number, name, section and marks. And I am reading all these members by using scanf %d, because the first member I am reading is a roll number which is of integer, so %d. Second is a array of characters, so it is %s. And the third one is a section which is a single character, so %c. And the last member is a floating point data type, so it is %f. And while reading I have to use ampersand s, which is a structure variable, and the member, so it is the address of the roll number which is belonging to the structure variable s, and name, and since it is an array of characters, so I just have to write s dot name. By default it is the address of the name array which will be passed to this scanf. And the next is ampersand s dot section and s dot marks. So you can observe that if it is a single character or an integer or a float, you have to use ampersand. If it is an array of characters, no need of ampersand. If it is an array of integer or float, again ampersand has to be used. Now I am printing the read details by using printf %d, %s, %c, %f, and first parameter is s dot roll number, and the second parameter is s dot name, and the third parameter is s dot section, and the fourth one is s dot marks. So you can see that in the scanf I am using ampersand, whereas in printf I am not using the ampersand. And next I want to read the members of t by using a pointer variable. So now for doing that I am writing the same scanf statement, but the parameters you can observe. The first parameter is ampersand ptr pointer roll number, and for the name I need not to write ampersand, it is just ptr pointer name. And for a character and marks I have to precede by ampersand. And for printing using pointer notation, I just have to write ptr pointer roll number, ptr pointer name, ptr pointer section and ptr pointer marks. Let us run and check the output. So I need to enter the student details. First number is a roll number. Suppose the roll number is 12. The name is Amit. Section is C. Marks is 20.5. So you can observe the details are 12, Amit, C and 20.5 zeros. So here the floating point, it is printing up to 6 decimal digits. And next I have to read the student details of T using the pointer notation. So again I need to enter the student details, roll number. Suppose the roll number is 20, name is Meera, section is A and marks are 24.5. You can observe the details are 20, Meera, A, 24.5 zeros. So suppose I want to convert this into a function, then the read function should return a structure student read, and it does not take any argument. And inside the read function, I am declaring a structure student yes, and I am copying the statement which was in the main for reading the members, and now I am pasting here, and after I read, then I am returning that structure yes. So now to do this, in the main for calling, I have to write yes is equal to read function, and if I want to read using a pointer, I can write one more function like here, void read ptr, and I am passing the structure student star tr, and now inside that I am going to copy this scanf statement, and here I'll be calling this read ptr by passing the address of t. For printing also, I will write function like void print structure student yes. So inside this, I'll be copying the printf statement. So here, and for printing using pointer, I'll write print ptr structure student ptr, which is a pointer, so start ptr. Now I'll copy the statement which is here. Now for printing, I'll be first calling print yes, and using pointer here I'll be calling print ptr. I'll pass the address of t. So let us run and verify. Here you will get a message, enter student details, roll number, name, section and marks. Suppose the roll number is 25, name is Manju, section is A, and marks are 24.5. So you can observe the details are 25, Manju, A, 24.550. Suppose I am entering the roll number as 10, name as Sridhar, section as C, marks as 22.4. Now you can observe the details are 10 Sridhar, C and 22.4000. So we can conclude that we have created a structure variable. We have seen how to read the structure variable using dot notation and using pointer notation, and how we can convert this program into a function program for reading and printing. One is using dot notation and another is using pointer notation. And you can observe that the read function, it takes no arguments, but it returns a structure variable. So your read, when you are calling, so you are not passing any argument, but you are assigning to a structure variable. And read ptr, it takes one structure student pointer data type as an argument, but does not return anything. So when you are calling read ptr, I am passing the address of a structure variable. You can observe here read ptr and the argument is ampersand t. And for print function, we are passing structure student and it is not returning anything. So print function here, while calling, we can observe that print and we are passing just the structure variable yes. So when print yes will be called, so the yes data will be copied into our argument yes, and those values will be printed. And print ptr function, it takes a structure pointer and it does not return anything. So the calling of this print ptr, we are passing the address of a structure variable, in this case the address of t, by using print ptr ampersand t. Thank you.